The inconclusive declaration of the governorship election in 6 states by the Independent National Electoral Commission INEC has raised a lot of eyebrows in the country. However, in an exclusive interview with some legal practitioners in Lagos, they reacted positively to the declaration, adding that INEC has the power to make such decisions. A correspondent, Susan Wodo, reports.
The Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) has declared the governorship and state houses of assembly elections conducted across the country on Saturday inconclusive in 6 states. According to reports, this is the first time since 1999, when the country embraced democracy, it has faced such a worrisome situation. However, some legal practitioners say the Independent National Electoral Commission has the right to do so in line with the Electoral Act, and in a case where a state faces cancellation of votes being more than the margin of the victory.
According to the Electoral Act, INEC has the powers to declare an election inconclusive. So if the number of cancelled votes, it's more than the difference between the two leading contenders in an election. In that kind of situation, INEC is entitled to declare that kind of election inconclusive. And to a very large extent, I think they've been fair enough to all parties in this last election.
Actually, by the provision of Independent National Electoral Act, Section 25 or 26, the INEC has the power to declare an election inconclusive if it mathematically affects the outcome of the election. So it is within the purview of their power. Cancellation of votes, generally speaking, I think I don't see it as any big deal, because when an election, it's obvious that it does not really follow the guidelines. I believe votes can actually be cancelled.
On the alleged interference of the military in the electoral process, this legal practitioner reacted this way.
I think there are two sides to this issue. The first one is to the effect that the military ordinarily shouldn't be involved in the processes of elections. They shouldn't be seen at the scene of the polling booths and polling stations. But probably considering the intelligence that INEC must have gotten, probably just to secure the citizens at the polling booths, I think maybe it must have been necessary for them to put them in place, just in case there is any fracas or any need for them to, step in and then restore the normalcy at the station or the polling booth, as the case may be.